Best growth. Quality is our best power. Best growth products come from 4 directly affiliated factories: NOx sensors, pressure regulators, common rail components, and diesel injection. We are R&D strongly oriented with 15 years of end-to-end management experience. Our aim is to be your preferred partner in emission exhaust systems, diesel injection systems, and also in future solutions for vehicles. What makes us unique is our approach to development, our client-oriented policy, flexibility, innovativeness, and proactivity in finding solutions of the future. Client-oriented policy is reflected in quick responsiveness on clients' needs and adaptivity to clients' policy. Due to this, we adapt our products to clients' demands. We offer testing tools to improve quality control. We offer technical service, trainings and assistance. We develop new products for our clients. We offer exclusivity for some product lines. 100 million revenue, 3 R&D centers, over 30 big customers around the world, over 4,000 different products in our offer, and over 450,000 different units a month. This is best growth. Our name is well deserved.